Today I went to a picnic, and guess what I saw at the picnic when I pulled up to park? There was rabbits, and they were trying to make a baby. Awkward! Made me think. I never understood the phrase, the birds and the bees. I know it means sex, I'm not retarded. But I don't understand how birds and bees equivalent to sex. This is what comes to mind. Bzz, bzz, bzz. Oh, hey, girl. Hola, Señor B. ¿Cómo estás? I'm pretty good, girl. Just checking out your fine body. Oh, hey, you make me feel flattery. Oh, good, girl. Where you get your weave? You look so damn sexy. Oh, ay, Señor B. Oh, ay, me encanta. Me encanta. Ay, ay. Oh, girl. Girl, I love y'all. I love y'all, I says. Ay, Dios mío. Me too. Oh, ay, ay, ay. Tengo miedo porque tú eres muy feo. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet is right, pretty birdie. Only thing I can say in Espanol is yo soy muy caliente. Ay, señor. Basta, basta. Hold on while I try to make love with you. Oh, I see. Mwah, 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 mwah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ay, ooh, yeah, ay. Ooh, ay. I feel rather uncomfortable.
Hola.
Oh, hey, Mrs. Bird Lady.
Me llamo Señorita Bird Lady.
Oh, my apologies. Lo siento.
¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. Tengo miedo, lo siento. No sé, no sé. Ay. Hola.
Well, thanks for that lovely message, Señorita Bird. Wasn't that lovely? I don't know what's going on over here. I'm sorry for that, everyone. There are those type of awkward guests that you just invite over to your house, you know. They pop up at the wrong parts of conversation and they're awkward and they steal the soap from your bathroom and it's never a fun time.
Hola, ¿dónde está, señor B?
Not here, Señorita Bird. Could you leave me alone now? I'm trying to make a vlog and you are ruining it.
Sí, lo siento.
I know this vlog was not as long as it could have been, but I hope you enjoyed it. So I love...
Oh, hey! What y'all doing?
I'm making a vlog.
Oh, that's fun. Goodbye, buzz, buzz, buzz.
I'm really sorry about that. I should have never invited them over, you know. Don't make me do what I'm about to do, Señorita Bird. Could you please leave? I said, could you please leave?